Okay, just a quick follow-up to the email we sent out last night with a couple trade ideas. One of them was PL, Protective Life. Um, Again, we wanted it above this area, and you can see it opened below yesterday's high and just sold off. So that was easy decision, no trade. And then the other one I think was Hudson City Bancorp. We still like the chart; it's still intact, okay. But again, yesterday's high was 1329. We were looking for it over that for a potential breakout. You can see it a little better here. Sorry we didn't have time to send out a video on this either. When you go out to 150 days, you can see it over this area that you do have a potential breakout here. So we'll still be watching this one. PL, not so interesting anymore, at least after today. It doesn't mean it won't turn back up one of these days, but Hudson City, certainly more interesting. Did have a couple real nice trades this morning, and really they're few and far between in this summer slowdown, low volume. But Sequino, we missed this one. We weren't even stalking it on the day it did this, but after it pulled back for a couple days, I told everyone, hey, let's watch this, and switch to the 5-minute candles. We called it right above here, right above this early high. It hit 447. Came back down to 430. We decided over 447, which would be right here, 448. It had a good chance of taking out yesterday's high as well, which was right here. This is a 2-day chart now, 5-minute candles, 455. Okay, so we had a 448 trigger. Subsequent possible secondary catalyst of 456, a break of yesterday's high. And again, here's the daily. You know you had some people excited to get in this. We were trying to catch, since we missed the initial pop, our interest was just to catch the second wave, if you will, and it worked great. Grabbed 448, added at 456, scaled out into this pop, kept an eighth of it, and actually rebought some right here when it broke this early high, because it still kept the eighth that I had kept. It made my average still down below here, and then scaled out with the new position into that. So I mean, just a great trade for me today, and several members did very well on that one too. And then we also had an early trade in QID, which is the inverse. When the market started off weak, we bought QID. These are 5-minute candles right here over this 5-minute high, 3205, and scaled out of this one all the way up to, went all the way to 3262. Very nice gain, especially first thing in the morning. I'm not a big fan of trading early, but it was a great setup, and you know, a nice pop from 3205, and it really took about 20 minutes to get a good almost 50 cents out of the deal. So nice pop there too. And other than that, we didn't have a lot going on, but we will try to send out some at least one free pick next week with the video in the video format like we're used to doing. Oh yeah, I knew I had one more thing. We also had KSU, a railroad, Kansas City Southern. This is one I just missed. I never got in this one. 1666 was our trigger right here, and I mean all the way to 1781. So that was on our watch list as well. I'm not even sure if any members grabbed it or not. I had several stocks I was watching and started off trading QID early and just missed it. So there's a side benefit of the service right there. Sometimes we have good calls that we made the night before, don't even get to brag about because I missed the entry. So all right, we're going to wrap it up. Hope everybody has a great weekend, and we'll send out a new free pick next week.